Welcome to Dollywood's HeartSong Lodge and Resort in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. On this video, we'll be bringing you into the resort and giving you a full tour of what a suite that sleeps up to 6 people is like. The suites may vary on their layout and whether you have a balcony or not, but in this video, we'll be doing a junior suite outside corner with balcony. Even if you book a different layout, we hope this video is helpful to get a better idea of what the bunk beds are like, how many places are there to charge your phone, how big is the refrigerator, and much, much more. So now that we have checked into the HeartSong Lodge and Resort, let's head up to our suite on the 3rd floor. I did want to point out the hallways have ice machines, a place to refill water bottles, and a microwave. I also wanted to point out there are laundry rooms on the 2nd and 4th floor. But let's head into the room and see what it's like. We are the first guests. This is so exciting. Let's check out our room. Ladies first.
Wow. We've got a nice full-length mirror. Ooh, this is cool. We've got a mini fridge.
Mom, coffee.
We got a safe, an iron board in this area where you first come in.
We've got a little laundry bag that we've got an ironing board. You got a place to hang your purse or your jacket, whatever you need. Okay, this is really cool. I think this is a white noise machine. You can have birds, or if you want a storm, or you can have the ocean, or a little fire. Very nice. My kids love those, so they would love those.
One thing I noticed about this noise machine is it does have a timer, and you can detach it from the wall here and move it into any room that you'd like. So you can see the fire is going right now. So if you want to put this in the kids' room as they're looking down at the fire, or if you just want to wake up to the sound of crackling bacon.
We got some postcards. Coffee! So we've got a little mini Keurig type machine with coffee, decaf regular, and creamers and sugars. Wonderful. A little place to do homeschool. And let's see. Oh, I love this. Okay, who's sleeping on the top bunk and who's sleeping on the bottom?
Oh.
Micah's got
you
top.
good with the bottom? Okay, so we'll do Micah on the top bunk, Hannah. And if your kids are taking turns, you can always write it up here so you remember who gets to sleep where. I love that. And then the bunks. Oh, how nice. Okay, climb up in your bunk. Check it out.
What do you think, Micah?
I like it.
Well, Micah climbs up. Let's check out the view from your room.
Wow.
Oh, there's our balcony over here. We'll walk out on that.
Beautiful.
And see the fire pit at night. Mm-hmm. Well, what do you think?
I like it.
You got your own little light? Oh, and you've got chargers up there. Regular USB, USB-C up there. Hit that switch for me, push the button.
Yeah, you can do it. And this is as low. This is medium and this is high.
So you've got one of those up top and one of those down below here. So here's a closer look at the little light charging area that each of the bunk beds have. If you have a device that needs wireless charging, you can set it on there or use one of these USB plugins.
It's like a sleeping bag, right?
Oh, it is. You're
It's
right.
one of those sleeping bag beds.
Nice.
That's pretty cool. You can tuck yourself in and zip yourself up and be all cozy. And Hannah has discovered the beanbag chair.
Nice. Little beanbag chair. This is a nice little kids area in this junior suite. You guys got a little TV. Looks like it's got a swivel.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can kind of change the angle.
And
Oh yeah, that does come out pretty good.
magnet so you don't lose the remote.
The channel guide does list out 161 different channels, and they actually have 2 resort channels, one that is going over all the benefits you have of staying here, and another channel is going over a number of must-do things here at Dollywood. So what do you think? You guys could sleep well in here tonight? All right, kid approved. Let's keep walking through the next area. The bathroom? I love the artwork right behind you. Did you see that?
I did. That's beautiful. Smoky Mountain moments are treasured memories.
Love the little bear.
Look
so
at the
nice.
mirror. It's got little bugs on the top.
Lightning bugs.
Fireflies.
I'm gonna go with lightning bugs.
Or fireflies.
Very nice. And all kind of your standard vanity things over here.
You do have a hair dryer. I know that's important to a lot of people. You've got a slip mat as well, lotion, and a makeup washcloth. And here,
got the little barn door slider. Okay.
it's like a barn door, shower door, double shower head.
Here's a closer look at the 2 shower heads. You can adjust this one up and down, and your diverter here to go between the 2 shower heads. You can see they have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash here in the shower. So there is a look at the shower and toilet and vanity area. And for any of you with kids, there's always that one kid that finds a way to get into trouble. So you could use something to get the door open if they manage to lock themselves in the bathroom. So no worries about that. Let's check out the rest of this room.
King bed, beautiful mural.
If you're finding this HeartSong room tour helpful, do us a big favor, hit that thumbs up button down below to let us know to keep making more videos just like this. All right, let's get back to the tour.
And a nice little couch.
So we have a junior suite, so this couch that Brie is sitting on actually pulls out to a bed. Let me see how hard it is to turn this couch into a bed. Throw these off real quick. We got a kid that needs to go to bed like right now. Lift. There we go. So here is a look at how much space it takes up in your room with the bed out. And let's check out the side of the bed real quick. On this side of the bed, they have 2 outlets and 2 USB outlets. One of those outlets is being used by the resort phone, which is a kind of unique, different design. On this side of the bed, they have 2 outlets, 2 USB plugs, and this alarm clock, which does have additional USB ports here on the front, as well as wireless charging on the top. Here's a quick look at the thermostat. Nothing too exciting or fancy, but it's right here in the middle of the room. Easy to find, easy to operate. Let's see what's going on this side over here. Here's our TV. It's kind of like a little living room area. So in the daytime when this couch is out, if the kids are just sitting and relaxing, we got the TV. And what's down here?
That is the sheets and blanket for the pull-out bed.
Okay, awesome. Well, let's check out the view from this junior suite with a balcony.
Oh, you've got a nice screen door.
Nice.
Ooh. Wow. Look at this. You could come and eat your lunch or breakfast or dinner out here.
Yeah, this is a great spot to sit as a family. You can see the resort over here to the left, the building. And you get a great view of the pool. This is nice.
This is very nice. You've got the infinity entrance. You've got the chairs in the water. That's great. And it's just beautiful. It's very peaceful. You're in the forest back here. So there is a look inside a suite at Dollywood's HeartSong Lodge and Resort. We hope you found this video helpful. If there are any questions we didn't answer about the room, feel free to ask in the comments section. Also, be sure to check out all of our other videos from this resort, from our full tour, checking out the outdoor pool, the indoor pool, kids playground,
trying out their Ember and Elm restaurant, as well as all the other dining options this resort has to offer and much more. I'll put a link to those videos in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.